Hi everyone, welcome to this easy crochet tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crochet heart. So here I'm going to take my yarn, I'm going to do my slip knot, and now I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to find that first stitch. I'm just going to slip stitch into the first one. So poke my hook through and then just pull the yarn through both of those. So now we have a little circle there. And once again, I'm going to chain 4, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to do 4 double crochets into the center of that circle there. So I'm going to yarn over once, poke it through the center, pull it through there, and then yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2. I'm going to do that again, yarn over once, through the center, pull it through, and I'm going to pull it through 2, pull it through 2. So that's 2 double crochets, need 2 more, yarn over, pull it into the center, pull through 2, pull through 2, last one, yarn over, push it through the center, pull it through 2, pull it through 2. And so now we need 2 triple crochets. So we yarn over twice, we push it through the center, pull it through once, and now we pull it through 2 loops, pull it through 2 loops, pull it through 2 loops. And if you need slower tutorials on any of these stitches, you can find the videos for those in my channel. So we have 1 triple crochet, we need the last one here. Pull it through 2, pull it through 2, pull it through 2. So now we have 4 double crochets, 2 triple crochets. So now we need to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're just going to slip stitch into the center of that circle there. Just going to pull it through and connect it to the center ring. So now we have half of a heart. So now we need to go on the other side and do the same thing but in reverse. And so we chain 4, and we're going to do 2 triple crochets. So yarn over twice, poke it through the center, pull it through 2 loops, pull it through 2 loops, pull it through 2 loops. So that's 1 triple crochet, we need another one, yarn over twice, through the center, and pull it through 2 loops, pull it through 2 loops, pull it through 2 loops. And now we need our 4 double crochets. So we yarn over once, through the center, pull it through, pull it through. That's our first double crochet. So now we need 3 more, 2 more, last one, and now we are almost finished with our heart. We just have to find that first chain of 4 that we made right there, and you can find the top stitch, and then you just put the hook through there and slip stitch into that first chain. So now you have a little heart, and you can pull the loose end from the beginning to make the center smaller. And that is how you do a crochet heart.